Let's take a look at how you can run a command in the default terminal from Azure Data Studio. First, I'll open up a new file to give myself a place to type, and I'll type in a command I'd like to run. You can actually have several commands on different lines. I'll then view the terminal. My default terminal in this system is PowerShell, so that's the command I'll use. Now all I have to do is assign it a keystroke. I click File, Preferences, and Keyboard Shortcuts. If you type the words run in, one of the first search results is terminal run selected text in active terminal. I'll double click that to set the keystrokes I would like. In my case, I've already set Control, Shift, and /, but you can press any keys that you would like to assign to your run action. Now I can move back to my text file, highlight the text I'm looking at, press Control, Shift, and /, and run the text.